What's the meaning of adore? Adore. 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 To adore someone or something means to have deep love, admiration, and respect for them. When someone adores another person, they have a strong emotional connection and feel positively about them. Adoration often involves feelings of joy, happiness, and contentment, and it can inspire people to be better versions of themselves. People may adore celebrities, friends, family members, romantic partners, or even pets. Adoration is a powerful emotion that can bring people closer together and create lasting bonds of love and affection.